Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to AppSec's online sport and assignments tutorial for round 3 week 2. I am Zubiya Razak, your science teacher, and grade is 7. Recipes chapter number 6, simple chemical reactions. Now it's time to share your task 2, that is about to understand about chemical reactions. So what is a chemical reaction? Chemical reactions do not only happen in the laboratory, they can happen anywhere. Cooking, rusting, sticking, burning, making metals, and living. Can you think of any other chemical reactions? What is the difference between physical and chemical change? Here you are watching on your screen, ice is melting. The ice has been converted into liquid water, and here wood is burning, and the wood has been converted into charcoal. So it is a chemical change. In ice melting, it is a physical change because there is the change in the state of the matter. And here there is the change that is chemical change. And a new substance has been formed. Physical changes are simply change of states with no composition changes of matter, while chemical changes occur when new materials are formed by a change in the way atoms are bonded together. Reactivity changes with the formation of new substances. Heat, light, or electrical energy is often emitted or absorbed. Chemical change is not easily reversed, while physical change can easily be reversed. New products are formed in chemical change, while no new products are formed in physical change. Reactants used up in chemical change, while often just a state change in physical change. Often heat, light, sound, and fizzing occurs. For example, ice melting is a physical change. A precipitate may form, for example, wood burning is an example of chemical change. When do chemical changes happen? What clues tell you a chemical reaction has occurred? New color, energy absorbed or released, gas produced, precipitate formed. What is the easiest way of writing a chemical equation? The easiest way of writing a chemical equation is word equation. So here magnesium and oxygen are reactants which are used in chemical reactions, and the products are which are the outcomes of the reactions. And what is produced is basically the product. So here magnesium oxide is the product, and magnesium oxygen are the reactants. Endothermic versus exothermic reactions. The endothermic reaction is cooler than surroundings, while the exothermic reaction is hotter than surroundings. Examples of endothermic reactions: frying an egg, evaporation, photosynthesis. And endothermic reaction is any chemical reaction that absorbs heat from its environment. Endo mean inner. So heat is gained in endothermic reactions. Exothermic reactions. Exo mean out. Reactions that give out heat energy are called exothermic reactions. Combustion is an example of exothermic reaction. For example, when a piece of wood is burned, heat is produced. Reactions that take in heat energy are called endothermic reactions. What type of chemical reaction is magnesium burning in oxygen? Magnesium and oxygen reaction. Magnesium and oxygen are the reactants and the products. The product is magnesium oxide. Magnesium burning in the air with oxygen is exothermic because heat and light are produced. A large amount of heat is given out. Here is the word equation for this reaction. Calcium carbonate is heated and the reactant is calcium carbonate and the products are calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Explain why a reaction between iron and copper sulfate is an example of displacement. Copper sulfate reacts with iron and it produces iron sulfate plus copper. This iron displaces copper ions from an aqueous solution of copper sulfate. So it is a displacement reaction. These are home tasks for the day 2. You have to do test yourself from the textbook pages 97, 98 and 100. That was all about simple chemical reactions. I hope this lecture was a good source of information. Thank you and have a nice day.